So you want to live like a tourist a yard, or you're a savvy investor looking for a property that will keep money flowing into your bank account? Maybe now's a good time to take a look at real estate in resort areas. After floundering at the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, sales have bounced back. How can you get in on this? We get the latest details from Sagicor Property Services.
A lot of the persons who buy property in that segment of the market are persons within our diaspora. So there was a correlation between arrivals in Ireland and a fall in sale of properties in the resort segment of the market. In 2020, we had a fall in the transfers of properties along the coastal lines, but it again picked up in 2021 and 2022, and we saw improvements of about 21 to about 30% in transfers between those 2 years. Buyers include not just persons who are looking for a holiday home, but also younger millennials who are buying properties as investment options.
Hamilton says personal use buyers are looking for condos and detached homes. Anything on or within walking distance of the beach is hot, and buyers tend to want enough space to entertain family and friends. There are also options available for those who want to use property to generate income from short-term rentals. Then there are large corporate buyers who are planning new builds and are looking for either greenfield developments or properties that already have infrastructure in place.
Sagicor's experience within the real estate space, I believe, is well documented and known to the wider public. And as a result, there are numerous transactions and opportunities that are shown to us for our consideration. But specifically, what we're focused on now within the tourism space is completion of our development in Oroka Bessa St. Mary, which is the Bessa development. So the development is scheduled for completion in the middle of 2023.
The 86-unit development includes 50 river condos, 28 ocean suites, and 12 pool villas. And there are hints of other major tourism-related real estate projects to come.
Yeah, so upon the completion of Bessa, we're still very bullish on the real estate market, and in particular, we'll have some interaction with the tourism space. So there are several opportunities that we're currently exploring, and other key strategic partnerships that, all being well before the end of 2023, we'll be able to share this information with the public.
St. Anne has been on fire over the last 5 years, and it will continue to grow for the next couple of years to come. The resort market is not only a lucrative investment opportunity for persons interested in owning a second home or rental property in tourist towns, it is quite popular for members of our diaspora who are looking to retire here. In terms of individual units that the buyers may look into to invest in, whether it is on the North Coast or the South Coast. On the North Coast, it is Paradisia, which is a new gated community that's available. It is on the ocean front, and there is Draxall Marina. There's a new phase that is being built now, so that's another option. Coastline in terms of properties that are available for sale.